Yo, welcome back YouTube. It's your boy Coyote Mar, back at it with another video. But if you guys watched last video, you pretty much know what this video is today. Now if you don't know, we are getting a little mod done today. Now I wouldn't know if you will consider this a performance mod, but in my opinion it's basically both. Now if you guys seen last video, you be talking about the hose in the grill. So some of them it doesn't go through, some of them does. Basically today what we're gonna go do is get this whole little outline cut out so we can have more airflow going through our grill, so that our intake is getting a lot more colder air. Let's go ahead and get the car started and we can continue from there. This shit's gonna be loud as fuck. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Like I said, man, this motherfucker is loud as fuck. We got a car over there going off with the alarms and everything. I'm gonna go ahead and back this out. Big illegal in California to have your exhaust like this, but you know we gotta go full Magusto with the 5.0 since I will be using this as the race car. This shit is crazy loud, bro. We've been sitting for a little bit, and as you guys can see, man, this shit is loud as fuck. But big drag setup on the car. I don't want to hold you guys up too long. Let's go ahead and get this content started, baby. So let's go ahead and take a look of how under the hood looks, man. Sheesh, this motherfucker looks way crazier, especially with this intake. So like I said, the airflow's going through the front grille, but it's not allowing all the air to go through, and that would be perfect for the cold air to get inside. They do have kits out there with the delete. Now I don't see no point in doing the delete if I can just go ahead and cut this out and save some money with that. But once again, man, car is just looking so good, bros. I gotta still get a retune through Lund with the intake. Now it doesn't need a retune, but I just want to make sure everything is running smooth, and so I'm just gonna send a log over to Lund and my guy Matt to make sure everything's running good. But man, car is just looking crazy. All right, so my camera did end up dying, but as you guys can see, we are on our way to go pick up the car now. We're gonna go see what all got done. We will most definitely be coming back to my guy. We'll give him a shout out and everything once we get to his place. But I'm gonna catch you guys when we get there, so stay tuned.
A few moments later.
Alright, so we just made it back to our car, and as you guys can see, man, big difference with the front grille. I have the other piece in my pocket. Let me go ahead and get it out. You can see this is the piece that usually sits right here. So we did get that perfectly cut out. Now we should have a lot more airflow, being able to go into like the 5.0 with the intake and everything. But big shout out to my guy over here. I'm gonna have him go shout out the shop and everything.
My name is Edwin. I own Top Notch Performance. I came from Texas. Now we're out here in LA. Trying to make it happen out here. Didn't think a lot of people wanted to go fast, but shit, there's some people that want to go really fast out here, so I'll tell you that. No, yeah, dude, your car's super loud.
Oh yeah, I know.
Since you couldn't drive, that bitch
That's
was
the
like
dump.
running to go. Oh, Lord. Yeah, because I moved it forward. I moved one right here. And yeah, that bitch was like, everything was shaking in here. I'm surprised nothing fell.
Oh, this is
That's my Shelby, bro.
Okay, sheesh. Give y'all guys a little look. Bro, I could have sworn I seen this Shelby before on Instagram
actually,
before, bro.
Yeah, actually, this one has like 9,000 followers. The car itself, not me, I don't know.
Yeah.
But it's similar, it's the exact same build as that guy Martin.
Yeah, bro, this motherfucker is crazy.
When I had my shop over there, people come to the shop and they do YouTube as well, and he would always comment like, oh, when are we gonna run it?
Once again, man, make sure to come check my guy out at Top Notch Performance. Anything Coyote 2011 and up, my guy got it. So his car is clean as fuck. My God, give you guys a little startup real quick. Woo! Shit! Yeah, that shit sound good, bro. Clean ass setup as you guys can see, man. Big dream build for sure. Before I got this, I wanted to get a 500, but it was just hard to find out here.
Yeah, hard, bro.
Real hard. Back to the 5.0.